na yaga design yaga DPR bat ru ndai nakta bangin handover ru yaga jeka sya udisi namba kinyo yang ban le ikikam kibadan kam nang nisma dengan 4 lak benetu ikikat nu ke jenglut nomor bangin 4 yo yaga DPR lan yaga design bat yaga ni la ein section baka perlu dibandingkan ne yaga kam. Right now we have 11 district in Meghalaya. But out of 11, because of the financial constraint, we are going to start 2 oldest districts in the state where the district headquarters will be converted into a mini secretariat. One is Tura and then number 2 is Jua. We decided last time, now we already had 2 cabinet meetings in 2 districts. One is Tura and then one is Jua. And in the near future, we will again have a cabinet meeting in every district headquarters. That is our decision meeting. For utilization of the present building, that I think we will take a decision later. Not now, not right now. But our concern right now is, as I said to you, due to congestion and due to a limited space that we have in the DC office Jua right now, government has taken a decision that we should shift the office of the Deputy Commissioner and convert into mini secretariat, where I think you must have seen quite a number of departments, government departments, they are all occupied on rental basis. They are all occupied the office building or the administrative building that they made on rental basis or through the private houses.